Good evening, children.
Good evening, teacher.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am also fine. Today we are going to doing one activity. How to change a singular noun to a plural form. How to change a singular noun to a plural form. Here are three rules. You all got one slip. Now now we will discuss how to change how to change a noun, a singular noun to a plural form. Okay, shall we start?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Garishka, come. Show me your slip. What is this? Read. Huh?
Cities.
Read. C-I.
C-I-T-Y.
City. Observe. See. Everybody, listen. Listen carefully here. City, C-I-T-Y.
City.
The plural form of city is cities. Plural form of city is cities. Here, the ending letter is Y. You observe. Listen carefully. Here, ending letter is city. In the word city, ending letter is Y. If Y is preceded means before letter, preceded back, behind the letter. Y behind. Y preceded by a consonant. Here which rule? This is vowel, this is consonant. This is belongs to second rule. If Y is preceded by a consonant, then we add IES to that noun. You remove Y and add IES to that noun.
No.
Is it correct or wrong? Correct. So Garishka, you well done. The plural form of cities. It is correct. Next, Premalata. Boys. Yes. If Y is preceded, here observe. Y is preceded by a, what is this? Y is preceded by which letter? Vowel. This is vowel. This rule belongs to which rule? First rule or second rule? Huh? Second rule, preceded by consonant. Preceded by vowel. Yes, this is second rule. This is first rule. Okay, boy is the, now we change the plural form. We change boy into boys. Here, from the first rule, if the Y is preceded by a vowel, then we add yes. To the noun. Now, BOY, boy, change into boys. Boy, the plural form of boy is boys. The plural form of boy is boys. Now you clear these rules. Now you have idea. All of you have idea. You got it. You understand these two rules. If Y is preceded by a vowel, preceded by a vowel, then we add yes to that noun. If Y is preceded by a consonant, city, here Y is preceded by a consonant, then we strike out Y and add IES. In the place of Y, we add IES. Understand everybody?
Understand, teacher.
Okay, next. Garishka, your answer is also correct. Premalata answer is also correct. Next. Wolf. Savarna. See, observe. WOLF, wolf. This is the third rule. Third rule. If the ending letter is F or FE, if the ending letter is F or FE, then we add VES to that noun. We add VES to that noun. Is it right, Savarna? Wolves, is it right? Your answer from this third rule? Is it right? Is it correct? Is it correct or wrong? Say, wrong or correct? Right? Wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. Here, in the place of F, we add VES. We add VES. Wolf, wolves. Give your pens. Wolves. The plural form of wolf is WOL. Hold on. WOL VES. Wolves. How can you pronounce? Wolves. How can? Wolves. Wolves. Okay. Understand? This is the third rule. This is the third rule. Wolf, wolves. Wolf, wolves. Now you clear the idea? Third rule.